This deep into the trip, I felt the routine take hold. Wake up, drop food, cook breakfast, clean up trash, fill water, brush teeth, get on trail. Can you believe it's been 12 days?
You're right. We're rolling to DC on the 13th.
Did you think we'd make it this far? Hasn't been easy, has it? You're such a good traveler.
We've got like 20 miles today.
Yeah, I feel like last night was a new milestone for you. Like, that's the first time I've seen you camp in a thunderstorm and be so relaxed.
Well, I think I'm acclimating to them. Trusting over wet gear is kind of pointless because so much of our gear is wet, muddy, stinky already. And I know it will only get more so today. Nope, we need to throw garbage away and then we're going to keep going. No garbage, keep biking.
They smelled so green. That's one of my indicators that I smell really bad is when I walk, when we bike by someone or we're backpacking and we hike someone close to a trailhead and they smell clean. When they smell clean, I know that I definitely probably have I got some outdoor funk for sure. Nearing the end of our quest, I found myself thinking about what it would be like to live a life where I was not bound by a typical American 2-week summer vacation. As we biked on muddy trails from last night's rain, we talked about our ideal versions of future summer vacations. Hungry Unicorn had a vision where we took 2-week vacations a year mixed with normal life and routine in the middle. I had a vision where we took 2 or 3 month-long vacations a year mixed with normal life in between. In my heart of hearts, I think I was exhausted from this trip and coping by fantasizing about future trips that in my head would be more relaxing. Excuse us. I'm on your left side. Oh, really? I'm sorry about that. How you doing today?
I'm doing okay. How about you?
Oh, good. Just walking my bicycle over the walk slowly.
Yep. Thank you for doing that.
Yeah, have a good 4th of July.
Ride.